This is the list of things that we're gonna need for feta cheese pasta. Of course, we're gonna need some pasta first. We're gonna need some garlic and herb butter, creme fraiche, Bulgarian feta cheese, Pecorino Romano cheese. Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today we're gonna make feta cheese pasta. I've been making this pasta for a long time, but I didn't think everybody will like it. I guess it's all over the internet now, so I'm gonna make my version of it. My preferred feta cheese is Bulgarian feta cheese. French feta cheese is the best, in my opinion, if you can get your hands on it. Second best is Bulgarian. I don't use Greek feta cheese. I simply don't like the taste of it. So when you slice the package open, this is what feta cheese looks like. This is the entire block of feta cheese. This is what you want. You don't want the crumbles. Feta cheese pasta. This is what it looks like when it's all done. All right, everybody, that was real easy and simple to make. Feta cheese pasta. Let's try it. First bite, feta cheese pasta. Wow, delicious. Here we go, guys. Going in for more. Oh, I love the feta cheese and pasta. It's perfect if you can't handle heavy sauces like tomato sauce, Alfredo sauce. This is a perfect substitute for those sauces. You can make this gluten-free. and I really like it to change things up sometimes, to go, you know, from the traditional to something completely untraditional, and it really switches it up for me real nice. It's a great pasta dish. You can use spaghetti, you can use linguine, you can use penne, you can bake them. You can bake this dish. You can do whatever you want with this dish. It's your playground, you know. Most of the time I make it like this because it's real quick and easy. Doesn't require a lot of time. If I'm tired after work, it's real easy and fast for me to make. Outstanding dish that you can enjoy at home, easy to make. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.